All right. Hopefully this is a short and sweet one because anyways, we cannot really, I mean, there's no point in scheduling any dates today, given that there's an ACD tomorrow that should give more clarity. So yeah, let's just start with normal updates. Gateway.
A short one from our side. We've upgraded Erigon node to 3.0, and that's it.
To version 3, you said, right?
Sorry?
You upgraded all nodes to Erigon 3?
Yes.
Okay. So no Erigon 2 nodes anymore?
Nope.
Sounds good. No, we're not jinxing anything today, Guillaume. All right, Shutter.
On Shutter, we solved an issue in Shadow by upgrading to a newer Go version and a new Go Ethereum version, but we're still facing some other issue that we are currently investigating, and we still have the lib P2P updates planned.
So on Shadow, there were two issues, which were registration and producing blocks. Which issue was fixed specifically?
So for the registration, we have a PR that we haven't merged yet, but that's also fixed, but which is not released.
So what is remaining then in terms of issues for Shadow?
We're still investigating another issue. We're still not seeing decryption keys, so we still don't know what the issue is there.
Makes sense. All right, thank you. Hi.
Hi, no much updates from Hive side. We just refactored CI workflows a little bit and fixed Nethermind file test.
And what was the Nethermind thing? Sorry.
There were issues. Some file test failed in master, and we fixed it on the Nethermind side.
All right. Ethereum such tests or EST?
No updates on that side.
All right. Generic Nethermind updates, please.
Hi. So no major updates for now. We are preparing for Pectra, monitoring if there is no new issues on our end. So basically, stand by till tomorrow to make some decisions.
Erigon?
So we're also monitoring the Hoodie testnet and the Chiaro testnet as well. We did discover one issue with Kaplan validators producing blocks with execution request, and we have a fix for it. Currently, we're testing it. Aside from that, all looks good.
Awesome. Geth?
Whoops. Yes. I have worked on the rebase to 1.15.6, which, as you might have learned since, has a fairly bad issue for that's only affecting what's it called? Archive nodes. So there's a release fix that has been made in 1.15.7, which I want to rebase on top of, but I'd say that's not the priority right now because I don't think anybody's running a Geth archive node on Gnosis Chain, I mean. And in the meantime, yes, so I did the rebase on Pectra. It works on mainnet, but when I try to do it on Shadow, which has merged, I still get some weird issue that I'm trying to debug. So yeah, it's not there yet. I guess it's it's got to be the way I implemented the changes, like sending funds to the deposit contract. Sorry, not deposit contract. You know what I mean? The fee collection contracts. So yeah, I'm trying to figure this one out. When it's fixed, I should be able to continue and to sync shadow and therefore declare it ready for mainnet. One thing I also did, which has that is not directly related, I was trying for fun this weekend to run a testnet on the RIS5 board, because I know we were in contact with some people a couple months ago trying to do this. So far I haven't been able to compile a single CL to work on the RIS5 board. It's a pretty constrained board, so it's also I'm also asking for trouble. But I wanted to give it a try for fun, and looks like it's still a long way from being ready. But yeah, just wanted to share that just in case there's interest.
All right, thanks. Rat?
Yes. So the second full sync for Chiado with the Pectra version, that is complete and it's running on ChainTip. Another interesting thing, Arman's friend is running a few of the Red Spectra versions as validators, and Red has been proposing several blocks on Chiado. So I just linked one of them in the chat. So I updated the README with if people want to run the alpha version of Red. So it's compatible both on Chiado and mainnet. I mean, you have to download the state and like you have to do some stuff, but yeah, it's everything is documented, like how you have to do the state inputs, etc.
All right, sorry, not to write. Okay, so for Pectra, I just printed the version, the dates that are, or the struts that are compatible with what we wanted basically for the next, for the 2 weeks that we are interested in. But there's no point in choosing anything at this point, so we don't really have to discuss it. That being said, is there anything else to discuss for Pectra? Okay, I'll take that as a no. Yeah, I wrote on the Telegram, but we have the Erigon files for the Nethermind Erigon files available now on a domain. Let me quickly touch it here. EL1 files. So yeah, this should be fairly up to date. It's not automatically kept up to date yet, but it contains for sure all the pre-merge, pre-merge stuff, and then a lot of recent blocks as well. So yeah, and you also, of course, already had the error files for the CL just here. So yeah, the archive should be complete now. Yeah, any questions or comments? Sounds good. Well, looks like we actually did have a short one then. Well, thanks for joining, and we probably have a call tomorrow or Friday with the same group we had last week, in case the ACD decides to schedule alpha for mainnet. But in that case, I will write on Telegram and send you invites either way. All right, thanks for joining, and see you next week or soon, depending on the ACD. Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.